Hi, everyone. Good morning. At Google, though, we are fully in our Gemini era. You'll hear a lot about that today. Today, Gemini 1.5 Pro with 1 million contexts is now directly available for consumers, but I think we can push ourselves even further. So today, we are expanding the context window to 2 million tokens.
So today, we're introducing Gemini 1.5 Flash. Flash is a lighter weight model compared to Pro. It's designed to be fast and cost-efficient to serve at scale, while still featuring multimodal reasoning capabilities and breakthrough long context. Flash is optimized for tasks where low latency and efficiency matter most.
Just last month, we released CodeGemma to better support coding tasks across languages, and Recurrent Gemma that leverages recurrent neural networks and local attention to improve memory efficiency and faster inference. We're adding PaliGemma for multimodal image to text.
It's optimized for a range of image captioning, visual Q&A, and other image labeling tasks. One of the top requests we've heard from developers is for a bigger Gemma model, but it's still got to fit in a size that's easy for all of you to use. So in a few weeks, we'll be adding a new 27 billion parameter model to Gemma 2. And here's what's great about it. This size is optimized by NVIDIA to run on next-gen GPUs and can run efficiently on a single TPU host in Vertex AI. So this quality to size ratio is amazing because it'll outperform models more than twice its size.
I'm excited to announce the new context caching feature coming next month. You can cache that once and easily call it on subsequent turns for a fraction of the price. Let's say it will cost me about 20 cents for that first turn, along with the regular input price for the rest of my prompt. Since I cache that content that I'm referencing, each following turn will only cost me 10 cents, plus the cost of any new prompts. We're announcing our Gemini API developer competition for a chance to win the grand prize, a custom electric DeLorean.
Hey! And you know I'm submitting to Google's new Gemini developer contest, which is so cool it'll blow your mind back to beta. A chance to win for the most creative, useful, and remarkable apps.
We know how much you all love Kotlin. We've been adding Kotlin Multiplatform support to Jetpack libraries like Data Store, and now we're expanding it to your favorite libraries like Room.
Last month, with the introduction of Gemini and Android Studio. In this case, I have a wireframe mockup of a login screen for an Android app. So let me select that file. Okay. So here it is. All right, so we have a main activity here. It's using Material 3, and there we go.
Flutter is the world's most popular open source framework for building beautiful cross-platform apps and games. WASM support for Flutter web apps is available today in the stable channel as part of Flutter 3.22 and Dart 3.4. Today, IDX is open to public beta with no waitlist. Many are already configured in the IDX workspace, like Go, Gemini, and others. And now, there are 3 new integrations to help improve your velocity. The Google Maps platform easily adds geo functionality to your apps. You can also debug issues with Chrome web apps using DevTools and Lighthouse. And when you are ready, enable multi-region deployment with Cloud Run. And as an early announcement, coming soon to IDX is a new way to simplify your app privacy and compliance workflow with Checks. Checks Code Compliance monitors and detects compliance issues as you're writing code, helping to ensure the safety and the quality of your applications. iOS and Android developers can access Checks today via the Checks website.
Today, I'll show you how we're using AR to supercharge the web and bring you new capabilities and tooling. Starting in Chrome 126, Gemini Nano will be built into the Chrome desktop client itself. We've started to engage with other browsers, and we want to work with you too. So help us shape the future of the web by signing up for our early preview program. Our new Speculation Rules API will enable truly instant navigation. Speculation rules will dramatically speed up browsing within a site by prefetching and pre-rendering pages in the background. This allows pages to load literally in milliseconds. And best of all, the API requires only a few lines of code to get started. Next, we need to make the transition experience seamless. And to achieve this, we launched the View Transitions API for single-page apps. So available today in Chrome Canary 126, View Transitions API can now be used for multi-page apps. Gemini will now generate insights right in your Chrome DevTools console. I'm going to open up Chrome DevTools, and when I look at the first error, it looks like my URL has been blocked by the CORS policy. I'm going to go over to this light bulb icon next to the error, and when I hover over it, it says understand this error. Then I'm going to hit continue to consent to having my data be sent up to Gemini. And just like that, Gemini instantly generates a personalized explanation of the error and a potential solution. Console Insights in Chrome DevTools is available today as an experimental feature in the US and will be rolling out to more countries soon.
Today, we're evolving Firebase again. We're unveiling Firebase Data Connect with Google Cloud SQL in preview. It's an entirely new way to build secure and type-safe apps with Firebase. We designed Data Connect so you'll be writing far less app code than before. Your queries are generated into type-safe, client-side code, keeping your app code in sync with your data structure. And Data Connect is built for AI development. With vector and function calling support, you can build AI agent-like flows and search for similarities using your stored embeddings. So if you're excited to try out Data Connect, sign up for the preview and check out our one-click template in IDX. We're introducing Firebase App Hosting, our next-generation serverless hosting product in preview. App Hosting automatically pulls the source code from your GitHub repository, runs the framework build, and orchestrates the Google Cloud infrastructure you need so you can ship faster than ever before. I'm excited to announce Firebase Genkit, a new AI integration framework for app developers in beta now for Node.js and with Go support coming soon. Genkit gives you a consistent API across LLMs. Trying a new model is just as easy as changing a single argument. And Genkit also works with Zod schemas to generate structured TypeScript output from LLM responses. Genkit comes with a local development UI you can use to inspect every trace and run your flows locally to tweak and improve output. Firebase Genkit works out of the box with Gemini and Gemma models hosted in your environments. You can run Genkit locally on your RTX GPU with Ollama and Gemma. And when you're ready to get to production, Genkit can easily deploy your code as an authenticated API right to Firebase or Google Cloud.
Speaking of mobile, we're making it easier for you with Google AI Edge. This brings easy access to all the best models, including generative, along with a suite of tools to run inference on the edge. And today, we've expanded support for TensorFlow Lite so you can run your PyTorch models too.
Whoop, whoop. This morning, Sundar talked about how we're imagining ways for humans and AI agents to work together to tackle complex tasks step by step. Let me show you one more thing an AI agent can do to make data scientists out there really excited. Here's an early concept of a data science agent. Under the hood, it uses Gemini 1.5 Pro and takes advantage of long context. I can simply ask a question in plain language about a data set that I uploaded. And this is not just the model completing the code. It's the model coming up with an entire plan and running it. And not only do I get an answer to my initial question about the data set, but the AI agent also produces a fully functional Colab notebook based on your instructions. And you can share it with others, allowing for real-time collaboration on code, new visualizations, and all of the results. It's available today at labs.google/code. If you have one of the 15 million Google developer profiles, beginning today, your profile is evolving into something even better. Introducing the Google Developer Program. Members of the program can now access new benefits at no cost, and I'm going to take you through them. You can access Gemini for learning and searching and chatting with documentation. Second, for IDX users, we're now enabling you to go from 2 workstations up to 5. And third, if you're in the Google Cloud Innovators community, you get credits for interactive labs on Google Cloud Skills Boost. Thank you for being here. Let's go build something amazing.